The stock market refers to public markets that exist for issuing, buying, and also selling stocks that trade on a stock exchange or over the counter.
The stocks, also known as equities, it represents fractional ownership in the company, and the stock market is a place where investors can buy and sell ownership of such investable assets.
The stock market serves two very important purposes. The first is to provide capital to companies that they can use to fund, and it can also be used to expand their business. The second purpose of the stock market is to give investors the opportunity to share in the profits of publicly traded companies. For example, if an investor buys shares of a company's stock at $10 a share and the price of the stock subsequently rises to $15 a share, the investor can then realize a 50% profit on their investment by selling that shares. There are two types of stocks. The first one is common stock. Common stock is wealth and also common. In fact, the majority of stock issue is in this form. Common shares represent ownership in a company and a claim on a portion of profits. Investors usually get one vote per share to elect the board members. The second type of the stock is preferred stock. They usually don't have the right to vote in the company. With preferred shares, investors are usually guaranteed a fixed dividend forever. Another advantage is that preferred shareholders are usually paid off before the common shareholders.
The market crash is a sudden decline of stock price in stock market that caused by frightened investor, unexpected economic event, catastrophe, or crisis. For example, the market crash of 2008 began on September 29, 2008 when the Dow fell 777.68 points. The investor concerned that the financial institution were bankrupt just like Lehman Brothers. When the market crash continues, the operation will less ability to grow. Hence, they will lay off workers to stay solvency, the demand of workers will decrease and affect economic contrast and cause recession.
Genting Malaysia Berhad is a private company and was incorporated on 7 May 1980. They had successfully converted to public company on 1989. In 5th of April 2019, the stock price of Genting Malaysia Berhad decreased from 3 ringgit 27 cents to 3 ringgit 25 cents, which decreasing about 0.91%. In past 6 months, the price decreased from 3 ringgit 44 cents to 3 ringgit 8 cents, which decreasing about 10.47%. This condition will cause investors lose their confidence on Genting Malaysia Berhad. Hence, the investors will no longer holding their stocks, causing the investment received by the company decrease. Then the company will have insufficient cash to operate.
Actually, we can collect the primary and secondary data to help Genting Malaysia Berhad overcome the problem of stock price decreasing. We took a survey among all the investors in KL as a population. Then, we randomly chose 50 investors in KL as a sample to collect their opinion on the stock price decreasing. We also refer to the reports from other institutes to help Genting Malaysia Berhad identifying why the problems can be happen. For example, releasing of the financial news articles. Besides, we also can figure out how to overcome the problems. For example, issuing more bonds and stocks to raise more funds.